Hello, everyone. Welcome to Beginner English Hub. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. Thank you so much for listening today.
If you want to speak English confidently, but you feel shy or confused,
This podcast is for you.
today's topic is very important and very popular.
Yes, today we are practicing spoken English for beginners, daily conversation.
Please remember one thing.
Don't just listen, speak with us.
Also, if you like this podcast, don't forget to follow, like, and share it with a friend. Leo, many beginners say, I understand English, but I cannot speak.
Yes, Maya. So today we will start with very simple sentences.
Listeners, repeat after me. Speak slowly. Good morning. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What are you doing today?
I am going to work.
Very good. See, you are speaking English. Now let's listen to a daily conversation.
Imagine Maya and Leo are friends.
Hi, Leo. Good morning.
Good morning, Maya. How are you today?
I'm good. A little busy. What about you?
I'm fine. I have a lot of work today.
Oh, are you going to the office?
Yes, I'll leave at 9 a.m.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Now let's break it down. How are you today? This means today, right now.
I'm a little busy. Little means not too much.
Have a nice day. We use this when someone is leaving. Now a very important part. Yes, let's talk about common mistakes. Mistake 1. I am go to office.
Correct sentence. I am going to the office. Mistake 2. What you are doing.
Correct sentence. What are you doing? Mistake 3. I did not went.
Correct sentence. I did not go.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Making mistakes means you are learning.
Now it's your turn. Imagine you are talking to us. Hi, how are you?
What did you do yesterday?
Did you watch TV or use your phone?
Great. You are doing amazing.
Let's talk about confidence.
You don't need perfect English.
You need clear and simple English.
Speak slowly.
Use small sentences.
Practice every day, even 5 minutes.
Let's revise quickly.
Repeat after me.
How are you today?
I am going to work.
What are you doing?
Have a nice day.
Leo, let's tell a small story.
Yes, a very simple daily life story.
Listen carefully. This is Ramesh. Ramesh wakes up at 6 a.m. He brushes his teeth. He takes a bath. Then he drinks tea.
After that, he checks his phone. He reads messages. Then he goes to work.
Now, listeners, answer in your mind. What time does Ramesh wake up?
Does he drink tea or coffee?
Good job. You understood English.
Now another short story. In the evening, Ramesh comes home. He feels tired. He washes his face. He eats dinner with his family.
At night, he watches TV. Then he sleeps at 11 p.m. Simple English is powerful.
You don't need big words.
Now, very important practice.
Don't translate from your language.
Think directly in English. Imagine this situation. You are very hungry.
What will you say? I am very hungry.
You want water.
I need some water.
You are feeling sleepy.
I feel sleepy.
This is how you build fluency. Repeat with us.
I am learning English. I practice every day.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
Excellent. This builds confidence.
Many beginners feel shy.
They think people will laugh.
But let me tell you something true.
Nobody laughs at someone who is learning.
You learned your first language by making mistakes.
English is the same.
Speak badly today.
Speak better tomorrow.
Now, a small challenge for you.
Do this today.
Speak English for 2 minutes today.
Talk about your day, your work, your family.
No phone, no translation.
Just speak.
Now, today's final question.
Answer honestly.
Why do you want to learn English? Examples: for a job, for confidence, for travel.
Thank you for staying till the end.
That means you are serious about learning English.
Practice with us every day.
One podcast, one step forward.
Follow Beginner English Hub.
Share this podcast with one friend.
See you soon. Keep speaking English.
Bye-bye.